And I'm recording. You want to do your little intro?
Hey, it's Caity. Facebook's seen it live first, sorry.
Yeah, if you're watching this, you're second. Sorry. And there it is. It's completely falling down. We're just going to walk around it real quick. Yeah, this used to be somebody's house. And Katie's trying to make the whole rest of it fall down.
Hey, I'm trying to get another nail in my foot.
Yeah, true story, she has done that before.
Oh shit, there's one right there.
Well, then step on it. Please be careful. Saw the tires on the ground. Tires everywhere. She's so brave. Can you not kill yourself?
No.
There's another wall. Or no, roof. I see shingles.
What?
This is part of the roof.
Oh.
You coming?
No.
You sure?
Maybe.
That's the roof. Well, there's not much to show here. We can't, you know.
It's always, are you coming? Are you coming?
No creepy baby dolls or anything.
Darn.
Although, I don't know if you can see that. That looks like springs to something. Where are you going? What? And she's off. So fearless.
You're cute. Got all the stuff over here. Barrels and tires and trash everywhere.
What'd you say?
A fridge.
Cool, I needed one. Or stop making ice.
I'm not sure this will make ice very well.
No, maybe that one will.
Oh no.
Another little building over there. Another building over here.
That's what I was asking you, do you see that?
Yeah, no, I didn't see it. Looks like there's more over there too, to the right.
Yeah.
But I don't want to go that deep in this person's property. I'm going to show up with a gun and shoot us. Oh my gosh, tires, tires, more tires, and more tires. Ah, fuck. Sticker bushes, my favorite thing. More fun than a sticker bush.
Thank God it's not sticker bushes.
Huh?
I said thank God it's not a sticker bush.
No, there's one back there. I just got caught up in it.
Oh. These aren't as bad as the ones in the alley.
Oh, those are all tires. Oh, wow. Well, the other one was definitely a house. This, I'm guessing, like barn or shed.
Parachute permit?
What?
Parachute permit.
Oh, nice. Parachute permit. That's
Springs.
important to
I
have.
don't know if you can see those.
And these boards right here are the only thing holding this up. Springs. That's a mattress. See if you can see these.
There's a mattress spring.
So, this is a mattress springs 10 of them sticking up. I don't know how well you can see them, but kind of cool. Where's the parachute permit?
It's
right there.
right there. It's that black one.
Is there anything else on it? Oh.
And I can't move it.
Yeah, let's not push on anything.
I don't trust it.
I don't trust it either. What's that right there? Yep, random crap. Pretty cool. Anything else over here you want to look at?
No, I'm good.
You're good? Looks like another fridge. Huh?
They're just staring at you.
Oh, hi. Looks like another fridge over there. Lots of fridges.
Alright, I think we're done.
And what's that, a hot water heater?
Jesse Winstead said,
Right
look
there.
for some old glass bottles. I don't
Yeah.
think we'll find any here today. Unless you're looking for beer glass or beer bottles. But
You're more likely to find cans around here. I mean, let's be honest. All right, we good?
I'm good.
All right. What would you like to say? Love, hate, leave it below. Down.
Hit subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. And also follow me on Facebook, Caity Cat. You can get some live updates because they'll see it first. Like Jesse. Peace out, Girl Scout.